A pulsar's a star that emits regular oscillations, I say, with a luminosity that does pulse in a metronomic way. When you look into the night sky from Earth's surface, you see the sparkling stars in the sky. But what is this? These stars twinkle slightly, and most do this I share because of slight disturbances in Earth's atmosphere. But when an astrophysicist observed the night sky in the 1960s and other wavelengths, she saw stars that flicker over time regularly. Professor Dane Jocelyn Bell Burnell made the first discovery of a pulsar star as a student at Cambridge University. These pulsars are well outside our solar system, but found within the Milky Way, that galaxy that holds our sun. More than 2,000 pulsars have been discovered so far in the Milky Way out of the 100,000 million stars. If you look closely at one of these pulsar stars, we can see what astronomers theorize they are. They're highly magnetized rotating neutron stars that emit beams of electromagnetic radiation out of their magnetic poles, I admit. They're observed when a beam of emission is pointing towards the Earth. It's responsible for the pulsed appearance of emission, of course. This is similar to a pulsar, but how are they born? Let's look at this massive star run out of fuel and what will take form. When a massive star runs out of fuel, the core does collapse. It crushes every proton and electron into a neutron at last. When the collapsing star is between 1 and 3 solar masses, they stop collapsing, leaving behind a neutron star that is this. These neutron stars don't emit enough radiation to be detected out in the vastness of space on their run. But when neutron stars do spin in a regular rotation, they're observed to have regular interval pulses of radiation. Pulsars have very strong magnetic fields which funnel jets of particles out along to magnetic poles. You've learned this in this song. These accelerated particles produce very powerful beams of light. They are swept around as the star rotates, making them pulse at night. An example of this pulsing that we observe in a pulsar would be the light spinning in a lighthouse that you can see very far. A pulsar is a star that emits regular oscillations, I say, with a luminosity that does pulse in a metronomic way.